I'm talking.
What are you saying, girl? What? 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 I am thinking that you are losing your marbles. You know the marbles, they are in your head and they are bouncing around very loosely. What's with the exorcist face? Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you finished? Are you finished?
Don't.
Talking.
You do it.
You do it.
What are we doing? I'm doing funny.
She's all, what am I going all funny? What are you talking about? You shouldn't say talking about.
No.
What are you talking about? Are you still talking?
No.
Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you finished talking? I really hope the neighbors upstairs don't hear me talking like this. They're going to think I'm What? Is your head going to spin around? What are you doing? Hugging it. Talk it.
Talk it.
You talk it.
Talk it.
You talk it. It is your turn to be talking, girl.
My turn.
You're done? You don't want to do this anymore? What do you mean? You want to take out the garbage? How about you do the dishes? Would you like to put the pizza away? Hey, girl, I'm talking to you. Hello? What are you saying, girl? Okay, all done. Okay, bye-bye.
Hey.
I'm going to go night-night. Or are you going to eat? Do you want to eat?